It's the last lesson at forest school for the day. And some older students have come to visit their friends in Group 2. Valentino, Utris and Madara join their older idol, Chinta, on an adventure through the ferns. And there's a surprise waiting for them. There's something not right. Penty reassures the youngsters. But Chinta has a suspicion as to what this might be. Bravely, she takes the lead. 4-year-old Otan arrives late to the Fear Fest. And he thinks this sack looks good. Just in time, Technisi, Muliono, comes to the rescue and beats his special rubber teaching aid to death. The Group 2 kids have never had snake awareness class before, and today they responded perfectly. In primates, recognition of snakes is instinctive, but fear of snakes is learned. Which is why Muliono tours this lesson around the forest school groups. It's a lesson they won't forget.